Hello everyone, say hello.
Hello.
Mr. Larkham and Polly here. Hope you all had a lovely weekend. We're going to do today's assembly, which is all about friendship. And we're going to start with a song, because we normally have a song in assembly, but we haven't had a singing assembly for quite a while. So I'll put the words on the post as well, so you can sing along with us. Are you ready, Polly?
Yeah.
You going to sing?
No.
Cool. You've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old pal said. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You've got your troubles, I've got 'em too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. You stick together and we'll see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some of the folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, bigger and stronger too. Maybe none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's just me and you. And as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Lovely. Right, so now we're going to have our story. This is one of our favourite stories, isn't it? What's it called?
I don't know.
Puffin Peter. And
Oh,
this is a story about two puffins who are really good friends, and they don't get to see each other for quite some time, and that's a bit like us at the moment, isn't it? So here we go. Peter and Paul were the best of friends. Paul made Peter laugh by being funny and noisy, and they spent their days happily fishing around their rocky island. I bet lots of you spend your time being funny and noisy with your friends at school.
Daddy, look.
One day, while they were out diving, a storm blew up.
I want to see.
A big
I want to see the
storm. We'll see the pictures, don't worry. And Peter was lost. You've seen this loads of times anyway. He was blown far out to sea. Poor Peter.
If I was in the sea like him,
At last, the storm was over.
he's,
Where am I?
he's
said
on
Peter.
the whale, Daddy.
At last, the storm was over. Where am I? Said Peter. He opened his eyes. And where is Paul? Shh, don't spoil it. Hello, said the kind whale. Are you lost? Yes, said Peter, and I've lost my best friend Paul. What's he like? Said the whale. Oh, Paul is funny and noisy. Can you help me find him? Funny and noisy, said the whale. I know just where to look. And they set off together. Here we are, said the whale, as they arrived on a small island. Which one is Paul? The birds were funny and noisy, but they were nothing like Paul. Paul is not a parrot, said Peter. Paul's feathers are black and white. Funny, noisy, black and white, said the whale. I know just where to look, and off they set. Here we are. It's rather cold. The birds were funny and noisy, and black and white, but they were nothing like Paul. Paul is not a penguin, said Peter. Paul's beak is very colourful. Funny, noisy, black and white with a colourful beak, said the whale. I know exactly where to look, and off they set again. The bird on the island was funny, black and white, with a colourful beak, but it wasn't Paul. Paul is not a toucan. We are never going to find him, said Peter. Poor Peter. Peter was very sad. The whale didn't know where else to look, so they drifted across the ocean. Oh, poor Peter. After a few days, some tiny islands appeared on the horizon. And Peter was too sad to look as he drifted towards them. Look, said the whale. What is that? It was black and white, with a colourful beak. It was funny and noisy. It was Paul! Hooray! Peter was overjoyed. So this is Paul, cried the whale. Why didn't you tell me? Tell you what, said Peter, and the whale smiled. Why didn't you tell me that he's a puffin, just like you? Oh, we like that story, don't we? Yeah. Well, I read that story. Hang on.
Look at the snake.
Stop for a minute. Read that story because it's rather like us at the moment. We are spending a lot of time at home at the moment and not really seeing our friends, and it can be really, really sad. But just remember, just like Peter, we will see our friends very soon and everything will be back to normal. Okay? So have a lovely week. Stay safe. Try not to get bitten by snakes, especially toy ones. Thank you very much. And we'll see you soon. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.